Hi. So this is our second video regarding to lab 2. So in the previous video, we stopped exactly here that we created an application group and it got created successfully. Let us continue. Again, we need to go on the DC machine, select for virtual desktop. In here, you can go for selecting application group. Let's add another one. So in here, what are we going to do? Same, let's keep everything. So resource group is 21 RG. Host pool to be HP1. The location is Central India. App type is remote. Application group type is remote app. Group name is utilities. And let's go to application. In the application, let's add application. This time it's not from start menu, it is from file path. We are just adding file path. What is the path? This is the one. Then the identifier name is prompt, command prompt, and again, then the description to be this. No. Next. Let's give the icon path and say review and add. Once this is done, then we will go to assignment tab. Let's add assignment. Go to groups. Which group I have to select? WVD admins. That is one. And WVD remote app. WVD remote app. And say select. So here, there are two groups you're going to add. Previously, we have added only one group. Next, workspace, no review create. And create. So this is done. So now we are left with task 5. Let's go and configure virtual desktop workspace. We can go to virtual desktop, select workspace, create a workspace. And on the basics tab, let's give this information. Workspace name, let it be this. Friendly name, let it be this. Location to be Central India. Next, application group. We have to add application group. Register application group. Select all the 3 which is available in the list and say select and come. Then come here for review, create and create. So the workspace is also created and added with the necessary application group. The next thing is exercise 2. If you complete, then this will be completing it. So now we have to download this MSRDC in our lab computer. Okay, let's see where exactly they are doing. Okay, so they're trying to connect to client machine and trying to do this activity. Let's do connect to the client machine now. Okay, let's minimize this with Bastion host. Okay. Okay. So we can go and search for virtual machine. So you're trying, see, already you are in lab computer. From lab computer, you have connected to DC machine. And in DC machine, we are accessing portal and we are searching for VMs. And in here, there are 3 VM running. So 2 is previously we have created. 1 we created just now. Let's go and connect to this client machine. But if we need to connect to client machine, yeah, I don't think so. We are connecting to client machine. So we are running some, yeah, we are connecting to the client machine here. Fine. So before that, let's execute these commands. So on the client machine page, Okay, go to operations section. In the operations section, go to run command. On run command, enable remote PS and click on run. Let us wait for some time. Okay, once you get the message, then we can continue with the next command. Now, by being in DC machine, now we need to minimize this DC machine. Okay, go to on your lab computer. On the lab computer, go to your web browser where you connected to Azure portal and search for client machine. And you need to connect to this machine through Bastion host, but we are not going to do. We are going to connect directly. For that, let's set some configuration which is necessary. We need to have a network security group. Yeah, the network security group is there and it is having 3389 port enabled. Now we need to give public IP. I don't think so there is a public IP. Let us add. Okay, there is no any public IP. Let us create one public IP and associate to this machine. Let me say associate and say safe. Let us wait for some time. Okay, I hope this command I haven't executed, I hope. Where should I execute this command? So this run command was done, then I just went away with this command. So we need to execute this command. So on DC machine, so let me go to the DC machine. So this is the DC machine. Okay, just go to the PowerShell. So on DC machine, go to the PowerShell. And because there are multiple commands, so this is our DC machine, go to the PowerShell. Just open this command prompt, get these two commands and run this command. Yeah, we next thing is that we need to connect to this. Let's wait for this command execution successful, and then we can continue. Mm, There is an issue. Let me check what exactly it is.